in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Comacook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3 a.m. At 2:02 a.m., National Weather Service radar detected a confirmed tornado near Elmhurst, or 15 miles west of Chicago, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly urban areas of DuPage and Cook counties, including the cities of Chicago, Elmhurst, and Schaumburg. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.